They don't. I've never seen a book where they only have one acharya's tikas on the verse. Most of the books, like there's a famous book printed in by some Banamali Shastri or something, 1950s, of the Srimad Bhagavatam, 12 cantos, 18,000 verses, and there's 11 commentaries in each verse in that book. I mean, there's many, many volumes, 60 volumes, and it's published in Hindi. And then different devotees are endeavoring to translate that book itself. Some student, or maybe godbrother, a student of Advaita Das from Holland, I think Damodar Das, he's translating that book into English, maybe from Bengali or whatever, 11 commentaries. And then there's some other devotee, maybe Russian devotee, I don't know, his name is Gaurapada Das, and he studied with Gopi Pranadhana, and he's already done several cantos, first or second canto, many tikas he's done, and now he's done the 10th canto, actually a couple of years ago, and it's called a symphony of commentaries, a symphony of commentaries on Ras Leela, and someone just gave me that to prepare for my classes, and in that book it has very elaborate translations of the tikas of Vishwanath and Jiva and Sanatan and Narayan Bhatta and Sridhar Swami and Baladev Vidyabhushan and also Srinath Chakravarti, who is a disciple of Advaita Acharya. So that's there. And apparently he's going to do the whole Bhagavatam. So that he has 5 or 6 commentaries on each verse in his books.